Hello. This video will detail the best practices in machine learning using scikit-learn library from Python. I will use a sample dataset from Lending Club for this video. The dataset contains 887,379 rows and 74 columns. Each row represents a loan application and each column is a feature related to the loan application. To give you an idea about features for every loan application, here you can see some of them, like funded amount, grade, home ownership, etc. Scikit-learn started as a summer of code project at Google by David Cornapeo back in 2007 and was officially released in 2010. Among the other libraries, some of the most important libraries that scikit-learn is built on top of are SciPy, NumPy, and Pandas. This means that scikit-learn models can run on NumPy arrays or Pandas data frames.